Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today in this video, we are going to recite and learn Dua for parents. This dua is mentioned in Surah Ibrahim, verse number 41. The dua is Rabbanaghfirli waliwalidayya walil mumineena yauma yaumul hisab. Rabbanaghfirli waliwalidayya walil mumineena yauma yaumul hisab. Let us break down this dua to understand more clearly. The first word is Rabbana. Rabbana means our Lord. Rabbana means our Lord. Learn these words. They are repeated many times in the glorious Quran. The second word is ighfirli. Ighfir means forgive. Li means me. Ighfirli means forgive me. Ighfirli means forgive me. Then comes the word waliwalidayya. Waliwalidayya. Wa means and. Walidayya means my parents. Waliwalidayya means and my parents. Then comes walil mumineena. Walil mumineena. Wa means and. Mumineena means mumin, that is the believers. Mumineena means the believers. Yauma. Yauma means day. Yauma means day. Yakumu. Yakumu means established or will established. Yakumu means will established. Al hisab or hisab means account. Hisab means account. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Rabbanaghfirli waliwalidayya walil mumineena yauma yakumul hisab. Rabbanaghfirli waliwalidayya walil mumineena yauma yakumul hisab. Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and the believers. The day will be established the account. Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and the believers. The day will be established the account. Recite this dua daily after every salah to ask forgiveness for us, for our parents and for the believers from the judgment day. Hope you have understood the meaning of this dua. Learn this dua and recite it daily. Please like this video and share with your friends and family members in order to let them know about this dua, and please subscribe to our channel. Jazakallahu khairan.